Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
What up? We here. What do we got? Pushed up into the 150s. All right, all right, all right. Little move higher here. Where the ES at? Back to the 90 level. Getting some dumpage going on here. What up, Eric? Getting some dumpage here. Let's pull up the 5 minutes. We're going to dump into the end of the day here, potentially. I'm going to look at the 5 minute chart here. Looks pretty clean for a little bit of a possible pullback here into the end of the day. Kind of have this look here. Man, did that already... Yeah, I think it kind of already broke structure without us. Kind of closed below there. This is a really clean short setup, though. Might take it. I think I'm going to take it here on the eval. I'm going to take the short here on the eval right. 30 seconds left on this candle here. I'm going to take it right there, and we'll pick out a target in a moment here. Stop's going to be 44.50. And my downside target, I mean, really 68. But I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think I even need that much. What can I make on this? I can only make $700, which is 35 points. So 35 points would be 70. Yeah, 70. So I'm going to short here, targeting the 70. ES ran the all-time high there, so that's why I think it's okay. Safe, kind of safe to short here. This could fail. But I'm going to target the 70 here. Let's go back to the 1 minute here. So 30 point stop, looking for like 35 points on the push down. Show bit, because we broke structure on the 5 minute. The 5 minute just closed below. You can see we have a nice bridge to bridge setup here, and we broke structure. So on your bridge to bridge, technically this is your first target, which is 0.98, and the second target is 80. But I'm going to go for the wick, which technically is the third target down at 71, 72 area. But your first target technically is 098. I'm not in enough. I'm not in minis here. I'm in minis, so I'm not in micros to be able to scale in and scale out. But just understand 98 is your first target. You could scale there. So, what up, Zabak? So 98 would be your first target. Also kind of lines up with the first down on ES, which is the 87 there. Again, when you're looking for shorts at all-time highs, you're looking for breaks of structure. And that's what we have here. We have the 5-minute break of structure. You know, nice clean double bridge here from this low. Oh, why did it not let me mark it there? From this low down here. Why is it not letting me do that? What's going on? But I like to use the 5-minute for my break of structures. What I'm looking for is short. So you can see just a little bridge to bridge here, break of structure. You probably could have got in on that candle, but so this is the first target. And you're looking for the bodies of the candles for your targets here. So there's your first and your second target. So we're coming up on that first target there. Now I could just take it right there at the first target, go stop to break even, something like that. So I did not see the 5-minute inside bar. What, the 15-minute? Was there a 15-minute? I didn't see it. I don't know. Look out below, says Mr. Ponzi. We'll get that 150 I wanted earlier today. Yeah, it did. Yeah, I think we might dump. It's Friday. I mean, like I said, I'm short here, so let's kind of see what happens. I don't know that I let this go. I don't know. It's a tricky situation here. 68 could be a good target. I'm just kind of targeting 70. Thinking that we just push right through these levels. You could get bounces in these zones. My stop out will be a close back above this trend line. Typically try to look for 30 points off the trend line break. So 111, 30 points is going to put me down at 80 actually. Hold on. Am I doing the math wrong here? Oh, I am. I only need 80, guys. Yeah, I only need 80. So that's actually target number 2. That's much more achievable, I think. Because I can only make $1,500 on this. So 35 points is all that I can go. All that I can go. ES at an important level here. Nasdaq obviously at the 24,100. You could get some resistance here. I mean, would I like it to just dump to the 80? Sure. Is it going to? Probably not. It's not just going to go directly there. I mean, one could maybe cover here for the $250 and then just then re-enter. You could probably do that. Do I do that? Nah, because if it just goes through there, just need 85. Let's go, Pine Tree. I think you can get 85. What up, Tech T? You missed the dump? Yeah, it's a break of structure here on the 5-minute. A little bridge to bridge. I love this bridge to bridge strategy. I don't always trade it, but when I see it after a big sweep of liquidity, like ES taking out that all-time high there, and you get kind of a death candle back through it, and then it's a really good time to take it. You expect us to hold up here at the 100 to some degree. You need 20 points? Let's get it. There we go. Now, if we lose 90 here, this is going to be a nice, quick and easy push down lower here. And I'm not against it. I'm not against it. Get through 90 here. This thing just waterfalls right here. Now, I might would target more, but the thing is I don't need it. Actually need 79.25. That'll put us right at the 1500. Oh, you chicken out of the short? Come on, Matt, don't chicken out. Don't get back in now. We lose 90 here. We lose 90. It should go here. Should go. Am I right here though? 10, 2, 6. I only need 700. That should be right. Oh wait, I'm short from 114. Is that 20? This is 20. Yeah, this is 35. Yeah, I need 35 here. So bouncing right there at the 90, kind of expected, right? 90 is one of the areas where you know, little psychological area. I still like it. I still like it. Chased it 10 points. Let's go. If we lose 90, I think it dips hard here. This next push down should get it. Six minutes until the murder bot too. All right, I might break even this and then re-enter. I think I'm going to break even, stop this, and then re-enter because we could retest this trend line. And I don't want to let a 30-point trade, 20 whatever point trade turn into a loss. ES just pushed back up above 87. Kind of got a BPR there bouncing off of it. Again, I'm not going to let it go red on me, but I'll look to re-enter on a push back up. I mean, we did hit target 1 there. I just, you know, like I said, I'm sized in with minis here, so I can't. Looks like it's going to stop me out. I'm just not willing to let it go back red after that. Made $5. You dirty mother trucker. They're really just going to push back down right now. Man, ES is fighting back above the VWAP here too. So crazy. Are we winning? We were up a good bit, Oracle, and then yeah. I don't know. I just wasn't willing to let this go red. I'm probably going to re-enter here, though. It did hit target 1. Kind of got a BPR down here that it bounced right off of. Maybe we get a better entry. I don't know. So you really could have gotten short from 125 there. It actually broke structure there. Barely. So I went from 125 down to 087. We got the murder bot coming up here in 3.5 minutes. Kind of got some trend line liquidity here too, with the low being down there at 070 area. All right, I'm going to re-enter here. We're going to go 2 minis this time. And we're going to tighten up the stop on it. 10 points. And I think stop to break even on this logically would be like 110, actually like 112. 113 would be stop to break even. That would make sense. Yeah, like retest of that 21 EMA, so like right there. I'll lock in 5 points on the one, and I'll go break even on the other. So this would be what, 20 points, $400. We need like 90. And see, like, this is why I didn't want to let that go red. Like, even though I think it still goes down, I think a re-entry makes sense. 80% of the time when it makes new highs, it ends the day at the high. I don't know. It could. I have no idea. Back down through that 100, we move pretty swiftly into this level down here. I think I need like 91, 91, 75, something like that, to get the max profits on the day. A minute and 20 seconds left for the murder bot here. Really want to see this thing hold below that 200 EMA here. Get back down into that 100 level. Push through these EMAs. Should be able to go. See if the murder bot can just take us down. I mean, there's not really any liquidity setting up higher. So if the murder bot goes up, it's just manipulation. It's just all it is. It should shoot us down. Should. But I might get stopped out before it even comes. It might wick me out. It might wick me out. I'm going to give it 10 points. I'm going to give it 10 points on the murder bot. It might just stop me out, but that's okay if it does. 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow. It came a little early there. A little early. Didn't stop me out though. All right, I'm going to move the stop up now because I think that since it didn't take me out there, I think retest of that 5-minute trend line here should take us back down. If we get back inside that trend line, then I think we do go up, but I don't really see a reason for us to go up. But then again, you know, the Nasdaq's not logical. It is illogical. MOC, yeah. He was up 500, didn't lock out, then down 1,500, now up 700. Yes, lock yourself out, Mo. Come on, man. Lock yourself. Don't wreck yourself. Lock yourself. Lock yourself out. Yes, trying to break out here, back up to 65, 94, 95 area. Let me check the higher time frame here on the ES. I mean, it broke structure on the 5-minute too, right? ES really didn't have the same setup, but it did break structure. And ES is kind of like already back inside that structure break. Nasdaq still holding below it, but ES is breaking back out here. Should I just go ahead and kill this based on that? I don't know if I should kill this based on the ES ripping back up. Nasdaq is like your wife, illogical. Lame algo, yeah. I'm thinking about just killing this. This ES is just going to the moon here. I don't know, guys. I mean, ES is just breaking out. Not sure here, guys. I don't like the way the ES looks, but theoretically, you're supposed to hold this until it closes back inside the trend line. It did hit target number 1. You also got the 55 algo here in about a minute and 30 seconds, minute and 40. So if we don't get stopped out before then, let's just see if the 55 algo can take us down. I mean, to me, the liquidity seems to be down, but doesn't necessarily mean anything on a Friday, you know. Get a little pullback here. ES is still holding below initial balance high here, which is a very tight range today on ES. Black Streak Monday ever in store for these bag holders. I don't know what that means, Ponzi. All right, let's see if the 54, we're at 54 a minute here. Didn't really do anything here. Starting to push back down. Really got to get back below 115 here to make this move lower. Below 115, I may move the stop into break even. I may. We'll see. Here comes the 55 algo candle. Here in 20 seconds. You did 750 last night, working full days. Let's go. 10 seconds. Wow. Is this behind or something? This clock must be behind. Yeah, it looks like it is behind for some reason. A couple of seconds. 3-4 seconds. Let's see if we can dump into the end of the day here. Retesting this 5-minute trend line here. See if it can hold. Come on. Got to get back below 15 here, really, to get this thing going. Can we dumper? Can we dumper? Thing is, everybody's expecting this to go up into close. In my typically that's what people are thinking. But, or there could be a ton of people shorting. We could just get squeezed into close. Who knows? Who really knows? Lost 2 nights ago of 750, so call break even to win. Yeah, nothing wrong with break even. All right, ES below 92 here, we really start to dump. ES below 92, we just start to just elevator. Come on, ES, push it below there. Testing 92 here. Below 92, we elevator. Elevator, come on, elevator. We're looking for the elevator. We're looking for the elevator. Here we go, testing the 200 EMA there at the 17s. There we go. ES pushing below the 22s, or the 92s. Here comes the elevator. Now the question is, when do we move our stop? That's the question. When do we move our stop? I think below 110, we don't let this go back red. We don't let this go back red below 110. What do you guys think? I mean, it went below 110 there, but I'm talking like a really good push below 110, like 105s maybe. Coming into the final 2 minutes here. I'm going to move my stop down to 34 here. The next push below 10 here, I'm going to move the stop into break even.
Can we get you?
All right, coming into the final minute here in about 45 seconds. I really want this thing just to continue to push here. I don't like that it's pushing back above the 20. ES got to hold below 22 here. We're going to get stopped. Or I'm sorry, 92. I don't know why I keep saying 22. Come on.
Yeah.
I'm going to move my stop back to 20 points here. Let's see if that last minute here can just take us lower. Need the bears to step up here on the final minute and start pushing this thing down. Final minute now. Not looking good. The bulls are stepping in here. Come on, bears. Come on, bears. Give it a little something here. There we go. You want ES to close green? I don't know where it opened at. All right, back below 15 here. I'm going to go stop to break even. Because I want to just see this thing let the air out here at the end of the day and just go down and not up. There we go. Stops in. Stops in. Come on, bears. Push it. Down. Come on, bears. 12 seconds. 12 seconds, bears. 12 seconds. 3 seconds. Go, bears. Go. Go, bears. Go. Go, bears. Go. Go, bears. Go. Bear, bear, bear. Go, bear, go. More bear, more. More bear, more. Go, bear, go. Come on, bears. You can do it, bears. Come on. Come on, bears. You can do it. One more time through the 100, we should go. One more time through the 100, we should go. It should go if it gets back through this 100. I'll be able to trail it down pretty tight. There we go. Come on, push it down. There's no reason to come back above 100 now. You should just go. Oh, it should just go here. All right, I'm locking in the 105 now. I mean, it should just go. There's no reason for it to come back up here, but, you know. I think it should have went there. Guess we are holding up at that pivot point, huh? Come on, rip it. Rip it down. This is your third push below the whole number here. This has got to be it. This has got to be it. We just need 9, 10 more points. Come on. Give it to us. The X Factor audition. We're trying something. Oh, why you got to hold up here at the whole number? Get through there. I mean, ES is at the 87, which is a key level, but still. We buy back 20% lower next week. We locked in 15 points already, but this thing's just manipulating here at this pivot point at 96. I just don't know. You just got to go here. It's just got to go. We're locking in $1,200 in profit, though, for the day on this account. I really wanted the 1,500. All right, up 1225. I wanted the 1,500, but we outlined the short there. Yeah, outlined the short. It paid. We got in a little late. I was up big on it. I mean, I was up 30 points there and just didn't take it. So, do I risk it? Do I risk it for, what do we need? 275? Nah. I don't know if I should be risking anything here. I'm already out, so I do think that we're going to get down back to this wick, but who knows how. Oh! Made 750 per day target for the week. Average of 753. Let's go. Nice job. I'm tempted to try to take a little scalp here, but what would you need? Like, you need like 30 ticks here. I don't know. I kind of want to take it, but probably not worth risking it. All right, I'm going to try this with a very, very tight stop. I think I'm going to try it anyway. All right. I'm going to keep the stop super tight. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it up here a little bit. Because there's no, I mean, like, I don't really, there's not really a huge difference to me between 1,200 and 800, to be honest. So, still have to trade an extra day in there. Yeah, I know, Mo, but still, you know, just saying, not a huge difference between 800 and 1,200. Because you still got to trade another day. So, we'll take a shot at it. We'll take a shot at it. Max is barking. He didn't like it either. All right, I'm just going to kill it right there. Kind of working our way above the 9. I don't like that. So we'll lock in 1,000. Let's lock it down at 1,000. It's Friday. No point in doing anything too crazy here. You're full porting a random direction? Yeah, me too. Me too. Hey, Antonio Hignio Bornal. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Oh. No funded for sure. If you guys haven't already hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do appreciate you. If ES loses the 87 here, I do think we push down, though. Uh, 400 would be, what, 20 points? So like 90. I don't know if we get down to 90, but we'll see. But yeah, guys, I'm going to back test the 3-minute inside bar this weekend and get back to you guys with the results on that. I'll post a video. We'll also post some shorts and see what we can, if we can't just get some content out. I haven't really been posting lately, so if you guys haven't already hit that like button, I will be back Sunday for the Open. So appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.